Now, in this video and the next video, I want to show you some really important ways we use the word her with the verbs to give, to show, and to send. What I mean is about the sentence structure. Sometimes we see give with to and sometimes without. And in this video and the next video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know to use those verbs perfectly and really well with the word her, and in future videos with all perfectly. See you there. When we talk about the verb give, show, or send in this way, there's two possible ways to use it in a sentence. So two examples here. To give her the money, to give the money to her. So the basic difference in the two examples is the idea, the object, the money. Where is the money in the sentence? In the first one, to give her the money is at the end. It's after her. So no separation of give her the money. When we have give the money to her, because the money is now between give and her, it's changing position, it's necessary to have to before her. Now we have a lot of examples. So the next example, to send her an email, to send an email to her. Where is an email in the sentence? What position? In the first one is to send her an email is after her. But in the case where the second example, an email is before her, we must have to. This is the basic idea. To send her the DVD, send the DVD to her. Okay? It's the basic idea. So when we're looking again at the idea, right? That show her the DVD. The DVD is the object at the end of the sentence. So show and her are connected. If we have the object after the verb, to show the DVD, you must have to in front of her. Send her an email and to send an email to her. Now, because maybe this is a little confusing, the good news is that this two examples, to send her an email is much more common with native speakers. We prefer to use to send her, to send him, send them an email in our speaking. It is possible to say to send an email to her, but from the 30%, you can see it's not so common. It's much less common. In this video, we will focus on the first example, to send her. For example, here, I'm going to send her an email. The pronunciation will be, I'm going to send her an email. He's going to give her a present. He's going to give her a present. You can show her the room. You can show her the room. So in this first video of the two, we're going to practice this form: sender, giver, and shower. In the next video, we'll focus on send to her, give to her, and show to her. Okay? If you have time, could you send her all the images tomorrow? If you have time, could you send her all the images tomorrow? And if you have time, could you send her all the images tomorrow? If you have time, could you send her all the images tomorrow? Could you send her all the images tomorrow? Did they have to give her what she was asking for? Did they have to give her what she was asking for? Did they have to give her what she was asking for? And did they have to give her what she was asking for? Did they have to give her what she was asking for? Would you be able to show her the room tomorrow? Would you be able to show her the room tomorrow? And then, would you be able to show her the room tomorrow? Would you be able to show her the room tomorrow? Would you be able to show her the room tomorrow? Did you have time to send her the email? Did you have time to send her the email? And did you have time to send her the email? To send her the email? Did you have time to send her the email? Did you have time to send her the email? Is it possible to give her more time? Is it possible to give her more time? And is it two words? Imagine it's one word. Is it? Is it possible to give her more time? Is it possible to give her more time? I am not going to be able to show her what to do until tomorrow. I'm not going to be able to show her what to do until tomorrow. And I'm not gonna be able to show her what to do. I'm not gonna be able to show her what to do till tomorrow. I'm not gonna be able to show her what to do till tomorrow. That brings us to the end of this video. See me in the next video when we will continue our practice with these 3 essential verbs: give, show, and send, but using them with the word to.